Wait, it's only February and we've launched all of this already. Today we're gonna go over all the hits that we've dropped in 2026 so far. First, let's go over 𝗃𝗏 Pro Iron Fallout Remover. Vehicles naturally get iron contaminants as we drive. From the industrial fallout, brake dust, it comes naturally to our vehicles. 𝗃𝗏 Pro Iron Fallout Remover. It removes embedded contamination, sort of like how a clay bar does, but specifically for those iron contaminants. Spray it on your paint, glass, and your wheels. Let it bleed purple. That means you have iron contaminants. Then you just rinse it off. Spring is around the corner. That means bugs are around the corner as well. So we got you covered. That's why we came out with Clean Shot, Bug, Tar, and Sap Remover. It removes all that. It's a fast foaming technology. You're gonna spray on the surface. You're gonna let the heavy duty cleaning power do its magic. Then you can either wipe off or you can rinse off. This is for those bugs that get stuck on your grill, your windshield, your paint. We know that those things are notorious for ruining paint if you leave them on there for too long. We wanted to make something simpler to remove them. It was gone, but now it's back. HydroCharge Plus is back on shelves this week. It is the fastest way and easiest way to ceramic coat your vehicle. If you don't know what a ceramic coat is, it's basically gonna be a hard, durable layer that you would be applying on top of your clear coat for more protection. And on top of that, it adds great shine. Spray onto your applicator, apply it in a cross-hatch motion, let it flash, and then buff off with a microfiber towel. Now your car has hydrophobic properties and is protected and is left with the great shine. So this next product is gonna actually transition us from exterior to interior, because you can use them for both. I'm talking about our little Megalodon. You guys know about the big Megalodon. You loved it so much, we had to come out with the little Megalodon. Also a drying towel, has twisted loop technology on one side and then a thinner twisted loop technology on the other side. You can use that for touch-ups at the end of your car wash, wipe down your glass, wipe down areas that you missed in the car wash process and in your drying process. You could also use it for your interior as well. If you need to wipe down your dusty dashboard, wipe down your door panels, there you have it. Little Megalodon works for that as well. And that brings me to the next product. Total Interior. You guys know about our Total Interior in canister wipes. This latest drop is gonna be our new car scent. You get a great clean for your interior and you leave behind a great scent as well. Same way you would use our other Total Interior product, you can use it on your steering wheels, your dashboards, your center consoles, your navigation screens, virtually all surfaces. The fact that it's in a canister, it makes it super convenient to store in your vehicle so that it's always on the go with you for those messes. The next two products go hand in hand. It's for those messes that your pets leave behind. If you're a pet owner and you put them in your vehicle, you guys know how much of a mess your pet leaves. So we came out with these two products. Our Grubby Edge is for that pet fur that gets stuck on your surfaces and is hard to vacuum up. The Grubby Edge has 3 different sizes for 3 different ways of cleaning and scooping up as much pet fur as possible. It'll help you get into cracks and crevices just about anywhere there is pet fur. Once you're done using the Grubby Edge, you're gonna need to pair that next with our Forbidden Pet Stain and Odor Remover. Because we all know those paws are not the most clean, so they do leave stains behind and a smell that lingers. So you're gonna use our Forbidden to spray directly on those stains, get a microfiber towel, wipe it off, and those stains should come right off. Not only is it gonna remove the stain, it's also gonna leave behind a nice grapefruit scent. So that's the rundown of our latest drops in 2026 so far. That's just 2 months, 10 more months to go. Make sure you're in the loop because we're gonna go insane this year. Subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and keep tuning in our channel to see what's come out next. I'll see you guys next time.